This is a finished installation of my steering damper. Now, you can see here, I removed the old bracket that I used temporarily and used this fisheye bolt. This is an M10 fisheye bolt with an M10 nuts and washers. Now, when I installed this, I used the existing hole on the neck of this scooter, and you can see how this thing operates now. It works really well, and there's no hitting. You get the full steering angle here. This is an awesome addition to the scooter. And one thing to note also is when installing this collar here, make sure you put it at this angle so that when you turn this way, you'll have clearance and you won't hit this side here when you turn it all the way this way. Yeah, so this is the installation. I'm pretty happy with it.